What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing kind of graphics design video. And the graphics design video of today, it's all about logo design by using only typography. Now, I know we captured throughout graphics design, and I promised you guys, let us just do it. Let us just make it happen. And a lot of you guys say, yeah, and I was saying, yes, sir. Let us just do it. Why not? So today we're gonna make a logo by just using typo, and we're gonna just steal some ideas. So yeah, we're gonna steal some ideas on Shutterstock and other kind of website out there, so as it can help you out throughout developing your logo, throughout getting concept. It's not bad to steal an idea, but the way you extract it, the way you consume it, that idea which you stole it, that's a legit thing. So I'm not teaching you guys how to steal. Yeah, first of all, let us just agree, all of us. I'm not teaching you how to steal. I'm teaching you how to do a great and amazing work. So enough of me talking, let us just get started. So guys, first thing first is to get the clue of the logo. Now it's called Tough Glass. As some of you guys can see the logo, this is how the logo it is. Now this kind of logo, we're gonna mash it up through different kind of an idea, but giving it a little bit kind of stance, it will be much better. Now we're gonna just mash it out. The colors, they're not quite bad, they're good, but it needs something to be captured. So we're gonna just open our new tab throughout the website, and first thing first, let's jump into Shutterstock. Let's go to Shutterstock. Let me share with you guys some experience which is really good. Now, jumping out directly through Shutterstock, it doesn't mean that we're gonna get the whole kind of or buy that kind of logo. We are not buying. So let's go here and refer to our logo here. It's called Tough Glass Solution. So we're gonna just find TG, or we're gonna find it depends with the name how much vibrant it is. So I'm gonna start by finding TG solution, or glass logos. Let's see, glass logos, what is gonna be popping up. So let's wait for it. It's coming right now. Okay, whoa, that's cool. I like this shape standing out real quick in my eye. Was parking there, which is really kind of awesome. Let's go here down. Let's see different variety of logo design. You get a concept, you get an idea, and you know where you can begin. It's really kind of important. This one too is really cool. I like the way it is. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna just save it. Save this image. We're gonna just save it and make our own kind of folder here. We call it Tough Glass Solutions, and inside of it, it's really kind of important to name your folders to give it much briefness, which is really cool. And another kind of stuff, we're gonna say resource, yeah, just like that, resource. Now this is our first resource, but it wants to save as web page. Now if you want to save any image through Shutterstock, you can see there's a format popping up here which is called WebP image. This one you won't be able to open it. Now how to fix that if you're using Firefox? Well, go directly through add-ons and themes and just search for extension called WebP, just like that. Firefox will just do its thing. You'll find this WebP AVF image converter. Just tap on it and install it, because me already installed it. That's why it says remove. So you're gonna just install it. After you're done, everything is steady, you're really good. Now the main thing, we're gonna go back here and check out the magic. After you install, you'll have some panel like this one, which is really important. I'll cover it on the next kind of topic, how much this tool it's be able to do its own kind of great job. So you can right click it here, convert image as. You can see here we can go directly throughout the folder which we made, Tough Glass Resource, and yeah, we can keep it like that and save it. And as you can see guys, if we open our root folder right now, we're having our image where we can just get started, which is really kind of important, which is really cool. Now that was my first kind of concept. I like it. It's really standing out and it's a little bit kind of minimal. Now we're gonna find another kind of concept so as we can start throughout our logo design, which is gonna be really kind of cool. Okay, here we have it. This is our logos. We're gonna just drag all of them here, and I'll keep this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. So ladies and gentlemen, this is our logo. Now starting with this kind of logo to just get started and mashing it up real quickly, mashing it up real quickly throughout the layout, it's really kind of important. Now there are a lot of ways of doing it. First of all, you can just tap on the logo you want. If it has less colors, it's possibly, or what am I saying, it's possibly it's possible to just image trace it. Now let's go to image trace. You can see it's done. There you go. It's like that, but it doesn't just come the way we want to. So I think throughout this kind of logo, we just have to just implement our own self throughout here and here and even here, but using just pen tool. It's really kind of dope. And another kind of stuff on this kind of shape, since it's just shape, it's very more easy to do it. And later on you're gonna just see what's the main kind of difference which you just overcome throughout this kind of shape, which it's really kind of more dope. So go all the way here and here and all the way here and here. Now I'm gonna fast forward this video so as to give you much better thing. So yeah. So guys, we are done with that kind of logo processing, and as you can see, this is what we got. Now this is the moment whereby we're just gonna get started through our typography. It's really kind of important and it's really kind of awesome. And first thing first, I'm using the Envato elements, which is really kind of cool. Now I'll leave all the fonts which I'm gonna use in the links down below if you'd like my top 5, or I will just arrange a video whereby I can share with you guys some top 5 best fonts which I'm using throughout the Envato elements, and you can download them for free. And another kind of stuff, let's find that kind of dope and amazing kind of typography. And let's say tough glass. I like starting with that. I don't want to go with the solution first. I don't know, I find it like this is way to go. Now we're gonna start by using adding tone. Let's see adding tone, what type of flavor it's gonna give us, because I would like it to give me a little bit kind of different. Okay, this is a no throughout adding tone here. I think if we add this shape here, it might be sounding dope to this one. I cross my fingers for this kind of logo. And this Cascadian mono looks dope. I like it. Cascadian mono looks dope to this one. To be honest, I'm gonna keep it here. And solution out of it, let's see what it's gonna give us. Let's see Cascadian mono. That's what's up. We're gonna just make it look semi-light, or yeah, semi-light looks dope. Just like that, you can see we're having our logos here, which they're really looking great and standing out. Not yet ready for the colors, and just to have a clear picture throughout how much they're looking. Now let me know in the comments down below which is your pick. Is it this one, the first one? I'm gonna name it with numbers so as it can be easier for you guys to just tell me number 1, number 2, which one do you think you prefer mostly, so as we can mash up on the second video on the coloring side. It will be much better, because I want us just to have a clear thoughts, a clear picture of the logo, the process, the way I'm doing it, so as you can have a clear picture out of it. So yeah, and yeah, let me keep it number 5 and number 4. Okay, this will be number 4, and number 3, this is gonna be number 3. So let me know in the comments down below, which number of the logo do you prefer? Do you prefer number 1? Do you prefer number 2? Do you prefer number 3? Do you prefer number 4? Or do you prefer number 5? Let me know in the comments down below so as we can mash up on the next kind of video. To be honest, this is the brief out of the logo processing throughout the day, and we get to learn bunch of stuff. We have seen the logo processing, we have seen how we can steal throughout Shutterstock. No, we didn't steal. We just copy the idea and make it happen, and we twist things around to get different flavor throughout our logo looking, which is really kind of important. And you can see here how much our logo, they're standing out, they're really dope. And yeah, that's what's up, guys. Let us just meet on the next kind of video. So yeah.